Today we are going to be making pure avocado oil at home. No carrier, no cooking or frying. Hello lovelies, you're welcome to Cooking with AJ. So first I'm going to use this one to show you an example how you can make yours, okay? So I got this avocado from the grocery shop and I allow it to ripe. So now I'm going to open it to see how the inside is. But I'm lucky, all of them are good. Okay, so after cutting the avocado, I'm going to remove the seed and transfer it into another bowl. So you can see my seed extractor. So I use it to remove it. It's very simple. So I'm going to transfer the avocado into a bowl. Then after transferring, I'm going to mash the avocado into pieces the way I'm going to use it. So my lovelies, if this is your first time coming to my channel, you are welcome. God bless you. And for my OGs, thank you for always coming to support your girl. I'm so grateful. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, so whenever I uploaded a new video, you will be the first to know. And don't forget to check on our video that we have on our channels. Beautiful videos. Check down the video, you're going to love them. So after mashing the avocado, I transfer it into a tray, and you can see how I use the fork to press it and give some space so that air will dry it. So after 5 hours in the day, look at how it's changed. I just kept it in a room. It just used room temperature, no sun, just air. So I mix it again so that it can dry up again. The more it dries, the more the oil will come out. Okay, so look at the second time that I check it, and you can see the avocado has dried. It remains small, okay, but I can bring out my oil. Now I don't want it to dry so much because the first one I did, it dries so much. To bring out my oil was another case. So I want to try the method of not drying everything so much. So guys, this is not the only avocado I dried, okay? I bought many of them. What I'm doing is, if I buy, I do it the same way and put in a nylon and kept it aside. So I did it about 15 avocados. I bought up to 15 avocado, then I dry them with room temperature. So guys, now you can see how I press it. I got this thing from Temu, but it's not giving me what I wanted. I don't know if I bought the fake one. Okay, I saw someone using it, but it's not giving me that what I want. So I'm going to use another method, because this way I'm not going to get the oil out. So I'm going to use my cheesecloth or chiffon to squeeze it with my hands and bring it out. You know, use the manpower to bring it out, because if I use this, I'm not going to bring this avocado oil out, because I noticed this avocado, you know, have some oil in it and I need to squeeze them out. not 100%, but at least 90% of the oil will come out. Okay, so guys, I'm going to transfer it here and be pressing it so that I can get a lot of oil that I wanted. So I use up to 15 to 16 avocados because I started getting them dry. Cover it, put in my fridge so that I can get much, because if you try just 3, you're not going to get anything there. So you have to get a lot of avocado, okay, to do this, so that you can get your pure avocado oil. You can use it for your skin, anywhere that you want to use it, or you can use it to cook, make some salad. It's just pure virgin avocado, okay, no carrier. So that was why you need to get them much. So you can see how I squeeze it out, and lucky for me, I only got this little oil, but it is enough for me. So look at how it is when I squeeze them out. So after that, I'm going to sieve the oil again, because you can see a lot of avocado, the dry one, entered in the oil. So I have to sieve it the second time so that I can get pure clean oil. So for this avocado, I'm going to be using it on my body. I can add it into my salad. You know, it is very healthy, no carrier. So the first one I did, I added some carrier, the one I fried, but this one, no frying, no oven, just pure avocado. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you another type, but not here in this video. You can see another easy way you can make your pure avocado oil. So this is what we got from this oil, from this avocado, from this avocado. So I'm going to transfer it into my little short cups so that you can see how pretty, beautiful it is. Guys, I got this avocado, so I use up to 15 to 16 avocado to make this, okay, but I just use this one to show you how I processed it. Thank you, God bless you, see you on my next video, okay.